Assalamu alaikum. This is Jang Nisar and welcome to JN Coders. In this tutorial, we will explore how to display a category showcase product list using a list view and demonstrate how to implement product category functionality in this app. So let's start our journey. Let's go inside the main dart and you can see the boilerplate of the application. I am going to remove this all from here and add a package of material libraries. Now let's create the method which is void main. This is the entry point for the Flutter application. Now define a class which is called a stateless class. Create a screen folder and generate a Dart file for the application display. Navigate to the category screen. Now define a new class and create a name for it. These lines are showing cons constructor errors. Go to the analysis option file where the fix the cons constructor errors. Therefore, we required a scaffold property which takes an app bar widget to select the title for the display heading. Go to the body portion and add a column for vertical alignment. Inside this property, use a text widget to display the title. Write a list view separated over here. This property provides a list separated function for spacing like height and width of the list. Now pass a function inside this item builder and inside this property use container to display product image of a given list. Use a decoration property to customize a container. The page view separated property required space, so add size box property for height. Now create a model for category list. And then create a list which is similar to the created model. Create an image display folder and add image to it. Now write the image name in the created list. If you require more list, you can now make more like that. Open a Perspec YAML file and specify where the picture folder should be located. Now it is visible on display. Now add this item count list inside the property to count a user's length. And add a given index list name to this widget. First, convert a stateless class into a stateful class. To add the setState method, for each category indicate the current category number which start at 0. Container widget contain an inkwell property, and inside this property use the setState method for category functions and add given current category index inside this state which is equal to the list view index. Now we can use this method for list view property widget like that. You can see it on display. And again add a list view separated property for product detail. Inside this column use a text widget to display the title. Now create a model for product list. Then create a product list which is similar to the product list model. Now classify the product. Create a product list with a category name like that. Classify a product list with a category list using the switch case function. And use this function name inside a list view property like that. Thank you for joining me on this Flutter journey. Stay tuned for more tutorials on JN Coders. If you have any question or require further clarification, please feel free to ask.